In just about an hour, the last scheduled budget work session in Danville gets underway.
And while the current proposed budget is balanced, council members have a new and unexpected cost to consider during tonight's discussions. WSLS 10's Coulter Aniston has the details.
For the moment, the city's proposed budget is balanced.
The total budget's $271 million.
Council members will work to keep it balanced as they discuss budgets for the utilities and parks and rec departments tonight. But there is one outlying cost that has not yet been accounted for that council members will have to take into consideration tonight. A request from Danville Public Schools for roughly $2.6 million more in funding than what the city in December committed to giving the school system. The money is needed to pay for the roughly $4.1 million in new initiatives and state and federal mandates. Superintendent Dr. Stanley Jones says they had a lot of unknown variables in their budget, which is why it took until last week to be able to figure out how much additional funding the district needed.
The unknown variable was really what the actual cost for health insurance would be.
One proposed new initiative is a 2.5% raise for employees, which would cost the district about $955,000. The state and federal mandates total about $1.85 million. City Manager Ken Larking says this last-minute request could make budget discussions more challenging.
If City Council asks for staff to provide some assistance on how we can either meet that need or what it would take to make that possible, then we'll be happy to provide that information.
Dr. Jones says he and district leaders are continuing to work on the district's budget.
Now, the city says if council members decide to accommodate the school system's request, cuts would have to be made to other areas of the city's budget.